So, so in my first month, I'd been tasked with the responsibility of doing a presentation alongside a superior at the office meeting for the practice group. And I thought this was my opportunity to present, because coming into the firm, I'd served as the president of my university's debate society. So I thought I was equipped with all the technicalities of public speaking. I was just going to go into that meeting and blow minds. Little did I know. So we went into the meeting, we did the presentation. The team of experts who had attended the meeting teared down the presentation, and that was one very serious teachable moment for me, because in that moment I realized that when you're coming into a space that has so many experts, people who have done what you're hoping to do for tens and tens of years, you have to come teachable, you have to come calm, you have to come quiet, so that you can soak in everything that there is to be learned. Hi, my name is Bolu Ajayi. I'm a graduate trainee in the finance and capital markets practice of Olaniwun Ajayi, and I'm a graduate of the Lagos State University. One of the things that stood out for me was the fact that we always had people, superiors who were ready to teach us. Like you could literally walk up to anyone. It is an open door policy. For some of us coming into the spaces, we had only ever looked at the persons to whom we now have access as superstars, because we're seeing them on TV, seeing them on the internet, and wondering how this person got so far in life. And to come in here and be able to just access them was such a life-changing experience for each and every one of us. I think that another thing that stood out for me was the food. Thank you very much for the food. You have no idea how far free lunch. You have no idea how far free lunch typically took us on this journey. I think the best way to summarize the biggest lessons I've learned is to summarize them under 3 standpoints. The first is dig deep, the second is be exhaustive, and the third is have a true sense of ownership. That's it.